Hello everyone, how are you? I think all friends will be fit and fine. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Neha English Hub. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to start speaking in English language, how to start speaking as a fluent native speaker, how to start this journey. Everyone confused. So, I am giving you some tips how can start with practice in English language. As we all know, English speaking is the very mandatory. Speaking is the very important part to learn this language. If you want to fluent in this language, so you have to speak in this language. But how? With whom will be practice in English speaking? So we all are confused. So what is the easiest way to speak in this language? What is the easiest process to speak in this language? So I'm going to give you a wonderful tip which definitely can help you to improve your communication skill in speaking in this language. Daily routine. Yes, friends, daily routine is the really best way to learn this language, to speak in this language. Everyone has a different daily routine. What is your daily routine? You can describe your day very well. If no one is with you, no, you don't have any partner, so don't worry. You can speak with yourself in front of mirror. You can start practicing. So now I'm describing my day. As all housewives has a same routine. So I'm sharing with you my daily routine. Usually I get up 6 o'clock. After getting up, I take some exercises and I go for morning walk for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, I come back to home and I do clean my house. Then I go for washroom. After coming the washroom, I make the tea for my family members and I serve it. After serving them, I do the dishes and I take bath. After having bath, I do the worksheet. After completing the worksheet, I prepare the breakfast for my family members and serve it. After serving, I do the dishes again. And after that, I complete rest of all the house chores. I complete. After completing it, I prepare for the lunch. I make the lunch and I serve to my family members. Then I do the dishes again. Then it's time to rest right now. So I take 1 hour rest. After rest, I teach to my students. Some of the students come at my home. So 4 to 6, I teach to them. And after 6 o'clock, I make tea for my family members and I serve it with some snack. And then I prepare the dinner. After preparing the dinner, I serve it to my family members and I do the dishes. Till 10 o'clock. By 10 o'clock, I complete all the things. I clean all my kitchen work and everything, and I go to bed. And before sleeping, I read 2 pages of books. I love to reading the book. So this is my daily routine. What is your daily routine? Please let me know in the comment box. Everyone has a different daily routine. Some days it's very special. We go to the outside, and if you are really able to describe your day very well, so it is the right, really wonderful technique for you. Uh, Only you have to take one single step. When you take it simple step, single this step, so definitely it would be really helpful for you. So try this the daily routine, and you can speak better day by day. And I think this video is really very helpful for you. If you really like this video, so please like, share, subscribe and follow for more videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.